Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here, and hope you're having a fox-tastic day, and hope this Arctic blast and storms aren't affecting you badly. I'm here in Houston, and we got quite a bit of snow for Houston. Not for people up north or east or whatever, but it's quite a bit for us. I mean, everything was shut down here in Houston, so it really is a good thing that I'm able to work online, make money online, because even though the city was shut down, we had internet, we had power where I'm at, and so I was able to continue to work online, because really working online doesn't have snow days. We don't have it. So anyway, welcome to my channel. I'm glad that you're here today. We appreciate that. If this is your first time here, let me tell you, you've been missing out on a lot of good goodies. And so you don't want to do that. So go ahead and click on the subscribe button below. Do that now so you won't forget. Uh, that way you will be able to see the videos that I put out. And in fact, click on the bell icon. That way you'll get notified when I put out videos. And my videos are designed to help you make money online, to help you to succeed in marketing where you might not have been able to before. And I put these out on a regular basis, so you don't want to miss out. All right. And I would say if you're here today, if you're here now, chances are you've been diving into affiliate marketing, all right, or digital marketing of some type. But maybe the results haven't been what you hoped for. So don't worry. Honestly, don't worry. You're not alone, and I'm here to help you. So stick around for the full video because in my video today, I'm going to tackle some common struggles in affiliate marketing and how to overcome them. And I say affiliate marketing, but this can apply to network marketing or the overall picture of digital marketing or online marketing. Okay, so these things will help you all the way around. All right, and what I want to do, if you've been struggling uh, in digital marketing, I want to help you to overcome those struggles. I want to help you to turn things around for you. Okay. So, first, I wanted to talk about the elephant in the room and why affiliate marketing can feel so tough. And here are some common struggles that I see. All right. Uh, uh, a lot of people having issues with, problems with, struggles with, one is lack of traffic, low conversions, if they do have traffic, or not knowing what to promote or how to promote, or maybe even feeling overwhelmed by so much advice online. I mean, let's face it. Let's face it. You can look this way, you can look that way. No matter where you look, somebody's giving you a different advice, or recommending this program and recommending this product, and you can become overwhelmed. All right. So if these things sound familiar to you, it, got it. All right. Because those are common. I want you to take a deep breath right now because you're not failing. You're learning. Now, let's get into how to fix these things. So the first thing I want to talk about is the traffic issue. Um, because honestly, that's the first hurdle in online marketing is traffic. If no one's visiting your content, if no one's visiting your offer, no one's clicking on your links. So here's what you can do. All right. Use social media. Use it effectively. I mean, post content in Facebook groups, on your profile, Instagram reels, or even LinkedIn. That is just a growing um, social media platform for building your business on. You got to be niche related, but it is. Uh, Another thing to help with your traffic is leverage SEO, which is search engine optimization. Um, you're using keywords, write blog posts or YouTube descriptions using keywords that your audience is searching for. So for example, if you know um, My video today is helping you to effectively do affiliate marketing. I mean, basically, that's what the concept is about. I would use keywords, how to succeed in affiliate marketing, how to overcome affiliate marketing struggles, things like that people are searching for, so you want to leverage SEO. You can do paid traffic, paid ads, like Google ads or Facebook ads, things like that, and you want to focus on a target audience. But I will tell you, you start small because you can make mistakes with that and you can lose a lot of money doing that, honestly, right? So start small and make it work for you. I mean, you don't need 1 million views, you just need the right views, honestly. Okay. So you don't want to spend a lot of money there, but it's available. Okay. Um, so let's say you're getting the traffic now. All right. Traffic's coming in, but the other struggle is conversions. You're getting traffic, but no sales. So you need to ask yourself if what you're promoting is it solving a problem. I mean, you want to make sure your product or your program actually helps your audience. You can't just sell to be selling, right? You got to provide a solution to a problem, right? And is your call to action clear? If your call to action is not clear, then it's going to be difficult to convert your traffic. I mean, don't just drop a link, explain why they should click on the link. Um, Another thing that helps with converting your traffic is building trust. Are you building trust? I mean, share your experiences with the product or the program that you're promoting, because people trust people, not sales pitches. Okay, people buy from people; they don't buy from companies. Right now, another struggle is picking products that sell. I mean, sometimes it's the product or the program that you're promoting that just really isn't good, right? So here are a few of my golden rules that I think are important when you decide to join an affiliate program. All right, number one, number one, promote something you've tried and you believe in. Right? That's number one. How can you genuinely promote something if you've never used it? You're gonna come off as a used car salesman, and I don't mean to insult used car salesmen, okay? But their job is to sell. All right, somebody comes in, their job is to sell. Your job is to build relationships and promote things that you personally have tried, because that helps people to believe in you. All right, so that's one of my golden rules for deciding on how to pick a program. Another one is focus on high converting offers. Look for testimonials and a proven sales page. All right, don't just jump and say, "Oh, that looks good to me. I'll try it." But you're gonna be trying this. You're gonna be trying this. You're gonna be trying that. Look what other people are doing with that same program or that same product. Right, and the last golden nugget I will say, as far as conversions, is recurring commissions. I mean, you want to think long term with programs that have like subscription services that pay monthly. That way you're not having to start from scratch every month. If I have a product that I like and I sell it, I said $15, right? One time. Then I made $15 for that product. But the next month, I've got to find somebody else new to make that same $15. So if you're using recurring programs that we're paying on a monthly basis, a subscription type service, or even a weekly basis, um, then you're not starting from scratch. Okay, so if you sell the programs to 5 people this month, and then next month comes along, you still have those 5 people, and then you sell for 5 more. Now you got 10 people. The next month you sell 5 more, and you got 15. So you're building upon what you've done. And so, you know, I I personally recommend programs like LiveGood, which fits those criteria, Nexus Rewards, um, and prosperity marketing system. I mean, they're reliable. They've been around. They offer recurring income opportunities, and those three, LiveGood, Nexus Rewards, and prosperity market system, are my top producing programs. All right, so that helps to which you're converting. All right. Another thing, simplify your strategy. Stop overthinking. Just start taking action. You know, um, because when you're trying to analyze too much, then you spend time studying. You want to do your due diligence, but you don't want to spend forever trying um, to analyze things. So don't overthink it. Just act. All right. And finally, I wanted to address um, being overwhelmed, because digital marketing and affiliate marketing, network marketing isn't about doing everything. It's about doing the right things. You want to stick to one platform. For example, when you're first starting off, maybe it's YouTube. Maybe you like videos. So focus on making YouTube videos and making that your major platform. All right. Or maybe it's blogging. Maybe you like to write a lot. It's blogging. You've got a website, or, uh, you know, or social media. If you're going to choose social media, stick with Facebook before you start trying to widen out to Instagram or whatever. Stick to one program and get focused on that. And I would say one of the most important things is focus on building an email list, because your email list is your asset. All right. Uh, when you have that email, for example, if you're on Facebook and you're promoting on Facebook, that's fine, but Facebook could shut you down today. It's happened. It's happened many, many times. And then you lose all those connections you have there. But if you have an email list, all right, Facebook could shut you down, YouTube could shut you down, whoever could shut you down. The list belongs to you. And so you can still maintain contact with those on your list, the subscribers on your list. All right. Spend time daily on income producing activities. All right. Like creating content, engaging with the audience, or driving traffic, you know, because there was a wise marketer, and I remember who it is now, the one said, busy doesn't mean productive. All right. So you want to keep it simple, and you want to stay consistent, because you can do a lot of busy work that doesn't produce anything. So, but you want to do productive work. All right. So let me say this: you've got this. You've got it. All right. Affiliate marketing success doesn't happen overnight, and you've got to remember that. Anybody talks about instant riches, um, you're just trying to get your money. Honestly, there's no overnight riches, but it does happen when you stick with it. Okay. Because remember, every successful marketer once struggled just like you. So persistent consistency is what's going to make the difference in you succeeding in affiliate marketing. Okay. So hopefully these tips helped you with your digital marketing journey. If it did, I really would appreciate it if you click on the like button. That helps me out with my algorithms. And comment. I even welcome comments. I appreciate that. All right. And as I mentioned earlier, if this is your first time here, welcome aboard. We're glad to have you with us. We want you to take advantage of all the videos I put out. So be sure and click on the subscribe button. You don't miss out on none of the goodies that I put out. And by the way, I talked about um, what I call my golden rules and my golden tips for choosing a program. And I mentioned LiveGood, I mentioned Nexus Rewards, and I mentioned Prosperity Markets. So my top three. All right. Um, and I have the links below in the description. And all three of them are free to join. you know, either just to get in the power line, or a free trial, or a free membership, depending on the program, but all of them are free to do. So click on the links of all three, join them, get a feel of what they're about. And I will tell you real quickly, because I don't want to make this video too long, but I use Prosperity Marketing System, which is an income producing, recurring income producing program. But I use that system to also promote my LiveGood and my Nexus Rewards system. So it ties them all three together. All right. I call it the trifecta of digital marketing. So anyway, I don't make this video long. Again, I thank you for being here today, and hopefully you did get something out of this. And I will see you in the next video, and you have a Foxtastic day.